Hello and welcome to another Grandads Travels. We're going bowling. I don't know if I'm going to do very well though, because I'm doing the old heads, knees and toes. I've got a bad knee, I've got a bad back, I've got a bad neck, but I haven't got any bad toes. Anyway, wish me luck. Show them lot how it's done. Right, well, what can I say? I'd like to say that I showed them young'uns how to do it again, but unfortunately it was a bad day at the office. So I will say for now, until the next one.